Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here is information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. Sorry about messing it up, but here it is correctly displayed. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU Actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Sally purchases an end-year $1,000 par value bond with 12% annual coupons at an annual effective yield of I, where I is positive. The bond is redeemable at par. The book value of the bond at the end of year 2 is $1,479.65, and the book value at the end of year 4 is $1,439.57. Calculate the purchase price of the bond. And here's the solution. We have the general formula that book value at time k times 1 plus I is equal to coupon FR plus book value at time k plus 1. In this case, for k equal to 2 and k plus 1 equal to 3, we obtain 1479.65 times 1 plus I is equal to 120 plus book value at time 3. And for k equal to 3 and k plus 1 equal to 4, book value at time 3 times 1 plus I is equal to 120 plus 1439.57. From the first of the above two equations, book value at time 3 is 1479.65 times 1 plus I minus 120, and substituting this into the second of the above two equations, we obtain 1479.65 times 1 plus I minus 120 times 1 plus I is equal to 120 plus 1439.57. That right-hand side can be just written as 59.57, and so we end up with 1479.65 times 1 plus I squared minus 120 times 1 plus I minus 59.57 equal to 0, and the solution of it is, if we treat 1 plus I as the unknown, it's 1 plus I is equal to 120 plus minus the square root of 120 squared plus 4 times 1479.65 times 1559.57 divided by 2 times 1479.65. And there are two possible solutions. One is 1.068000187 or negative 0.98690016. Only the positive solution is feasible because the problem says that the interest rate is positive, and therefore I is approximately 6.800187%. The purchase price of the bond is its book value at time 0, which is related to the book value at time 2 through two recursive equations. Book value at time 0 times 1 plus I is coupon plus book value at time 1, and book value at time 1 times 1 plus I is equal to coupon plus book value at time 2. Substituting all quantities known, we obtain book value at time 0 times 1.0680187 is equal to 120 plus book value at time 1, and book value at time 1 times 1.068000187 is equal to 120 plus 1479.65. Based on this, book value at time 1 is 120 plus 1479.65 over 1.068000187. That's approximately 1497.797, and book value at time 0 is 120 plus book value at time 1 over 1.068000187, and that's 120 plus 1497.797 over 1.068000187, and that's approximately 1514.79, which is answer D. Please remember this is copyrighted material. This problem was created by me and the solution is mine. All rights reserved. Reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author is strictly prohibited.